That cloud on top, it's not whipped cream. And watch what happens when it melts in. This is a mango coconut cloud latte. It looks like something you would order at a cafe, but it is actually simple to make at home. Start with a ripe mango. The sweeter and juicier it is, the better the flavor. Slice the mango and cut it into cubes. It's fresh, completely vegan, and much easier to make than it looks. When you take a sip, you get the sweetness of mango, the richness of coconut, and that light, creamy cloud blending into everything. Add it to a blender with a little maple syrup and blend until completely smooth. You are looking for a slightly thick consistency here, not too runny. That helps the layers stay clean and visible. Everything I'm using here is completely chilled, so you really don't need to add ice. Keeping it ice-free also helps the drink stay creamy without getting diluted. If you prefer, you can still add a few ice cubes. Now before assembling the drink, prepare the milk and the topping. Take your coconut milk and lightly froth it. You don't need a lot of foam here, just enough to give it a softer texture when you layer it. Cold milk helps keep layers well defined and stable. Then, in a separate bowl, add thick coconut cream, use a hand whisk and start whipping it. You can also add a bit sweetener here if you want, but coconut cream is slightly sweet, so I'm avoiding it. At first, it feels tense, but after a few seconds, it becomes light and fluffy. That's exactly what you're looking for. Using chilled, full-fat coconut cream gives the best results. It whips faster and holds that soft, cloud-like structure. Now, everything is ready to assemble. Take a tall glass, add a few mango chunks first, so you get a bit of texture in every sip. Pour in the mango puree and let it settle naturally at the bottom. Don't mix it. Now for the layering, slowly pour the coconut milk over the back of a spoon and watch how it gently sits right on top. This step gives you that clean layered look. If you pour too quickly, it will blend together, so take your time here. Now for the coconut cloud, gently spoon the whipped coconut cream on top and just look at that. It sits like a soft cloud, and once you mix it in, it melts into the drink and makes it extra creamy. Finish with a few mango pieces on top and your drink is ready. You can let it chill for about 30 minutes, which makes it even more refreshing and slightly thicker. If you enjoy simple recipes like this, you can subscribe to my Ginger Garlic Kitchen channel for more. I share a lot of easy everyday recipes here. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. See you next time.